If you're a Microsoft Windows 11 user and you need to record your screen and include audio and the screen recording, there's a great free tool you can use. It is the Snipping Tool. If you say, Chris, I've used the Snipping Tool before to capture images, well, you can record video with it also. Let me use the Snipping Tool for just a few seconds to show you how it works. Then I'll tell you why I like it, plus then a few drawbacks. But this is a great feature if you don't have any other advanced software on your screen like Camtasia or Snagit. Let's dive into the snipping tool right now. Step number one is pull up the snipping tool. You can either do the keyboard shortcut Windows, Shift, and the letter S, or if you want to go to Start, type in snipping tool. That works also. Feel free to maximize it. By default, it'll be on camera. There's the Windows keyboard shortcut, but I'm going to go to snip a video. Next to that, you got to decide, do you want to pull a rectangle around a certain screen or do the whole window? I'm going to select the word window. I clicked on the window I wanted to select since I have two monitors and it picked this monitor here. Before clicking start, this is extremely important. What is it you want to record? Obviously, I've got the window selected, but do you want to record audio? Here's your audio icon right here. I have my correct microphone picked, my Shure MV7 Plus. I've got other options, but I see people forgetting about this. By default, it's still mute. If you want to record audio, you've got to unmute it. So clicking here, select the correct source, but then make sure you are not muted right here. There's mute. Now I'm not muted. One other item about the snipping tool is going to record your screen. It'll record your mouse clicks. It's going to record my audio, but it will not record video. I'm just letting you know. Let me go ahead and hit start and just do something real quick here. You get a countdown timer. Perfect. I need to take this data in column B and column C, which is just horrible data, and pull out the first name, last name, and city. In this example, I use the Copilot function in Microsoft Excel, license required. So I'll be explaining how I use the Copilot function. Perfect. When you're done, you click on Stop. It opens up the snipping tool window. You can come up here and here's the trim feature. This is easy editing right up here. If you want to see some advanced editing, you would come over here in Windows 11 and do an edit with Clipchamp. Make sure, though, when you're done, you hit save. Name your file. I have opened up my file. Here is the Copilot function that I just ran. Just to prove that it works, I'm going to double click it. You may not hear me, but it is definitely playing. You can fast forward. Now, one other item about this. Here's the file that I just did. It was a very short video and it is 16 meg. So if you get longer videos, especially over 50 meg, depending on how your company is set up, 50 may be the most you can email out. So then it's a matter of copying this, using it in your OneDrive account, and then sharing it with whoever you need to, just letting you know. But it is a great tool. No camera, but easy to use. Hey, I forgot to mention, what if you want to be on camera, or are there other free options besides the snipping tool? Absolutely. If you have a Zoom account, you can record a Zoom meeting by yourself. You can record a Microsoft Teams meeting by yourself. By the way, to do a Teams meeting, you'd click on your calendar in Teams and you'd click on Meet Now. Then you could be on camera if you want to and record your screen. And for sharing reasons, especially in Microsoft Teams, your Teams recording is automatically saved to your OneDrive recordings folder. May just be a little bit easier to share from there because the snipping video, you're going to have to move to Teams if it's too big to share. Not too hard to do, though. Just giving you a couple other options. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.